All right, so let's do another cool card location using the Svengali deck. This one is called the card in the bag. You need a brown paper bag. So, we'll have our spectators say stop. They can look at the card, put it back in the deck. Mix it around so nobody knows where it is. Then I'm going to take the deck, take the brown paper bag, we'll place this right inside, just like this. And using my expertly trained fingers, I'll cover my eyes here, reach in the bag. No, that's the 4 of spades, that's the 6 of hearts. Oh, I think I got it. I've got one card from the deck, and it just happens to be your selected card, the Queen of Clubs. So come back in a minute, and I'm going to show you how to do the card in the bag.